Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Welcome to our Islamic channel, Islam the Infinite Light. Let us learn more about Islam. Today in this video we are going to recite and learn dua to ask forgiveness and mercy from Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. This dua is mentioned in the glorious Quran in Surah Al-Mu'minun, verse number 118. The dua is Rabbighfir Warham Anta Khairur Raheemeen. Rabbighfir Warham Anta Khairur Raheemeen. Let us now learn this dua word by word to understand it more clearly and easy to remember. Rabbighfir. It has two words. Rabbi means my Lord and Ighfir means forgive. Rabbi means my Lord and Ighfir means forgive. Warham means and Arham means Raham, which means have mercy. Wa means and Arham means have mercy. Wa anta. Wa means and, anta means you. Wa anta means and you. Remember these words as it is often repeated in the glorious Quran many times. Then comes the word khairu. Khair has a root word of khair which means goodness or best. So khairu means best. The last word in this dua is Raheemeen. Raheemeen has Rahim, which means the merciful, and Raheemeen means those who show mercy. Rahim is one of the names of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, which means the merciful, and Raheemeen means those who show mercy. Let us now revise this whole dua. Rabbighfir Warham wa Anta Khairur Raheemeen. Rabbighfir Warham wa Anta Khairur Raheemeen. My Lord, forgive and have mercy, and you are the best of the merciful. My Lord, forgive and have mercy, and you are the best of the merciful. Remember this dua and recite this dua daily to ask Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala for forgiveness and have mercy on oneself. If you have understood the meaning of this dua, please like this video, share with your friends and family members, and please subscribe to our Islamic channel.